that for and brand icon will come start from class equal to FAB space FA icon Facebook FAB space FA icon Facebook. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Twitter, LinkedIn, are we getting the social icon?
Yes.
CSS will write and we'll change the color combination. We'll bring in the middle. So this is home file. It is available in which folder? External CSS folder. We will open that and we'll modify there. Now come to the style.css file. Write the CSS for footer section. We will keep a comment here. Footer section CSS start. Footer section CSS and footer section CSS start. Footer section CSS and So for footer, you can write a padding of the footer, padding 30 pixels somewhere, and then text align center. Text align center. Then height of the footer, 120 pixel we can give. Background of the footer, dark green color. Padding, text align, height and background. Padding, text align, height and background. Footer become dark green. Text should be in white color. So you will write color, column white. Coming in white color. Now this social media icon, we want to increase little font size. So already CSS is given by the font awesome. Already class we have 1x 16 pixel, 2x 32 pixel, 3x 36 pixel. It will go till 10x. Okay, so how to write that? Come to again HTML. So hope footer appear like this. Footer is ready. Then come to again HTML file. In HTML file, the Facebook, how bigger you want? By default is 16 pixel. 32 pixel in the sense 2x. 33 pixel in the sense 3tx. Okay, so 1x is equal to 1 pixel, 2x is equal to 1x is equal to 16 pixel, 2x is equal to 16 into 2, 16 into 2, 3x means again 16 into 3, it will go till 10x. You will write like this, fa hyphen 2x. If a class should be there, fa name should be there, fa hyphen 2x, fa hyphen 2x, fa hyphen 2x. So we are getting big icon. So footer will leave here. 2x become more bigger. If you want, you can reduce the size. 1x you can give 1x. Okay. This one we can write under the somewhere h3. Should look a little bigger size, or maybe h4. Little bigger it should come. h4. Okay, so footer section is ready. Now we'll go work for the container. Everyone look same or different? Yes, no, you should reply. Now footer section looks similar, then well. Now you will work for this section, container. Come for container, write some CSS for that, minimum height. For container, you can write a CSS comment here. Page middle section CSS start here. Here. In future, if anyone give you the task related to CSS or JavaScript, you should comment it. If they look into your code, they will get impressed, like you have little logic. You are following the proper documentation. As container, as container. As container. After that, you will write inside width somewhere 80% of the screen and margin auto. So it will take 80% in the center. Margin colon auto. It will take 80% in the center. And after that, minimum height 450 pixel. Minimum height 450 pixel. And in footer, we can write one border hyphen top. In footer, you can write a class border hyphen top 5 pixel solid, or maybe inset orange color. So where the footer will start, there one border will come. This container is going to take total 80% of the screen size. written. So your container will come in between and footer went to where? Last. So height of this section is 450. 450 is the height of this section. Now come there. You have to change the background. Padding also keep inside 15px and keep the background white color. Background white color. Background white color. Background is coming in white color. See this much. So this is the container section. The header, banner, footer, and this becomes a container. Under the container now we can display the text or data whichever we have. So this is the dark green you can see, light green you can see it is of 10%. This is also 10%, and the middle part is 80%. 80% plus 80% plus padding of 15%, 15 pixel left and 15 pixel right. Okay, now under the container we will display some text and images plus some icons. Let's go below. Write the it has page title. Page title. Page title. After that, color of that keep again dark green. Dark green color. And font size H1 size. Font size keep somewhere 35 pixel. Next you will follow a p tag. For p tag you will write text hyphen align center. Under the paragraph, whatever you will write anywhere inside the project, or will start from the center. Clear? Now come to the again HTML file. Transparent mode. Keep background transparent. Background transparent will not happen. Text transparent will happen. Okay. Text transparent will happen. Now come to the home file. In home file, and to make transparent background, you have to put as an image. Now come to the which file? HTML file. Right there, H1. For H1, what ID we have created? Page title. ID equal to page title. Inside that, write something. Welcome, Gyan Guide Technologies. Next, after that, we will follow the paragraph. Display some text in the paragraph. Display the text in the paragraph, 2-3 line. Should look like page is filled. It should generate 2-3 lines. Now text is coming. Text is coming. So this is in the left hand side. It should be in the center. The heading is coming in the left side. It should be in the center. Heading should be in the center. So for that, we need to go to that HTML, a CSS file, and for page title, we need to write text align center. For page title, we have to write text align center. Text align center. For which one? For the page title. Write text align center for page title. Yes, tell me. Tell me, sir. Videos are there, you can watch directly. No other video, all are free. You can watch anyone. All are free only, you can watch any video. Time back I told you, no? Today I'm saying all are directly, you can access anything. You should not download and create your own channel. It's only for the watching purpose. Yes, okay. Okay, fine then. Now you can download all and play and get to 6-7 months before to one person, I have trained everything, given all the video. He started selling my video in 300 rupees. Okay. I given the details to our auditor. I said send a note.
But what happened after that?
After that, the auditor, how much you have earned till now, go and give the cash to him then. In each you can't do anything. He came here with husband and 2-3 more relatives. Said like it was our mistake. What is that? Yeah, someone is giving you for your purpose. You started the business only. We have auditor usually. Every private limited company have one advocate plus one auditor will be. You have to hire. They charge 1 lakh rupees auditor and 1 lakh rupees advocate. Even no problem. Also, they'll take 1 lakh rupees, 1%. All filing related work, all GST, whichever the money you pay, no, in that 18% will go to the Modi Sarkar.
Okay.
Okay. If one day delay will happen, then how much is your GST money? Suppose your GST money is 10,000 rupees. Assume. One day delay means 18% of 10,000 rupees you have to give for one day. So many problems are there. Video is for the learning purpose only. No, you learn, give to your relative. From video, anyone should get benefited, no matter at all. But you cannot make website and start selling the video. Let's go ahead. Page title. Now, so it is coming here. Next, after that, okay, so keep the text as 3 line only. I'll keep text 3 lines only. It will look proper. Okay, next after that, come down. After this paragraph, we wanted to display a paragraph inside. There should be one icon and some text. So icon will come like this. Class equal to FA hyphen desktop and FA hyphen 5x. So what will happen? Desktop will become big size and it will become as a 5x. Desktop icon will become 5x, means 16 into 5, 80 pixel. Okay. Next, after that, write some text in that. You can use maybe label tag, maybe use any tag. Label tag we can use here. Inside the paragraph, we can use the text also directly, but we enclose within a label. Label. So now a desktop icon came. Desktop icon will come with desktop icon. Now in this, what should happen is the text is starting from the bottom. We want the text to start from the top. Left side icon, immediately right side text. So there is a class. If you remember the float left what it will do? Float left will skip one in the left, another in the right. Correct. So here we have a class FA hyphen pull hyphen left. FA hyphen pull hyphen left. It's called float left. FA hyphen pull hyphen left is called a float left. FA hyphen pull left. Now icon came in the left side and text appear here. Okay, so keep something should cover equal. It should not go half line or something 30% line. It should cover something equal block. See, it's covering proper now. Text align center we have given, so we can modify that little. For this paragraph, give class equal to service. Give class equal to service. Class equal to service. Now copy the same paragraph, paste again below. Let it be service only. Here desktop, convert into something, suitcase. Let it be pull left. Text equal, no problem. If the icon is look bigger, you can make 4x. Here, suitcase, desktop, two icon hope should come. Two icon is coming, but see something went wrong due to pull left. Float left we have because of that. Okay. Some space was here. Inside the space is came and fit. CSS we have written anyhow. We are written a class. Using class, we can manage it. So let's come to the CSS file. Under the CSS file, or what else you can do is the paragraph we have written for service. Paragraph convert into div. Div and div. Paragraph convert into div. 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 Label convert into paragraph. Label convert into paragraph. Label convert into paragraph. Clear? So we have given instead of paragraph, we converted into division, and the label we converted into paragraph. Label we converted into paragraph. Now some CSS we have to write for this tag, this class, service class. CSS we have to write for service class. So come to the style file. In a style file, you will write here dot service. For that, for service that, what should happen is there should be text hyphen align left side. After that, like everything print from the left to right. After that, there should be padding inside. Padding somewhere 10 px. There should be margin hyphen bottom. In the bottom side, there should be margin of 30 pixel. After that, there should be one box shadow for this. Look like a border. 0 pixel, 0 pixel, 1 pixel, or maybe 2 pixel, blue color. And you will give 5 pixel radius. Border hyphen radius 5px. Border hyphen radius 5px. Hope written service, how that look? It's coming one after other, but the lining is making it more something. The lining is making something not better. Box shadow. Solution we have for that. Let's come back. Dot service space P. Inside the service, whichever the paragraph is there, their text align should not be center. Their text align should be left. Left. Exclamation important to write. Important. This is to set higher priority. One place for paragraph we are written align center, and another place we are saying paragraph align left. Which one should work? So we are saying like the paragraph which is direct paragraph, let it be align center. But those paragraph that is under the service, for that center don't apply. What apply? Align left, and their exclamation important. Say like higher priority. Forcefully it has to come in the left side. Box shadow maybe we can remove. Box shadow is not looking better. Remove the box shadow. Without back shadow, you see. It should come one after other. Once the mouse will go on that, some kind of hovering we can apply. So it's coming the left side. Text align in left side now. This icon we have in the left, and the text is just there. Okay, this paragraph. Okay, paragraph is also okay, no problem. So what we can do now? The icon should be different color. The icon should have different color. Icon should have different color now. So what you will do, you will write a class here called red. Inside you write color colon red. Create one more class, green. Keep inside color colon green. Green. So whenever you want to red green, you can call these classes. Blue. You can write color as a blue. Next. Orange. Color as a orange. Next. Pink. Color as a pink. One more, yellow. Color as yellow. Red, green, blue, orange, pink, yellow. Now, if you want to make this icon desktop as a red, we can call the red class. The suitcase, if you want to keep blue, we can call the blue class. Let's go there. In HTML file now. In HTML file, full left you have written. After that, you can call it orange. Orange. Orange class will get applied. Here you have written if a full left, you can call green or yellow or blue. The blue class will get applied and the text color will get changed. Text color, icon color will get changed. Right, something like this. Okay, now we will keep one icon in between where the text will be in the left and icon will be in the right. So what we will do for that? Again, keep one more service block in between both. Copy one division to division, paste in between. Okay, pasted here. After that, we will write in that desktop replaced by headset. Desktop change to headset and keep this one as a green color. Headset green. Headset as a green. Headset is a green. Okay, headset as a green. Then pull left we have written. FA pull left we have written. Pull right we can follow here. Pull right. That is nothing but float right. So icon will take the place in the right side and paragraph will take the place in the left side. So the you can say alignment will get dearranged. Float left means first will be left, second will be right. Float right meaning first will go to right and second will come to the left. It will start printing from right side. Simple. It will start printing from right side. It now something like this. Headset in the right side and this is in the left hand side. We have a class called FA border. FA hyphen border. Okay, it will apply the border surrounding the icon. So what we will do is headset you have written. After green, you can write FA hyphen BORDER. FA hyphen border. Check now. Any border got applied? Border will get applied. The remaining three icon also we can apply the border. FA border we can put all the places. So desktop also should have FA border. And the suitcase also we can keep FA border. The border will get applied surrounding. Working. Icon is all the side. Footer is in the last. Can you keep this underline? Underline using orange color. Underline using orange color. Apply underline. How to apply underline? Not underline. Underline only, but different color. No, no, no. It's just not it. Text decoration underline will come in green color only. Text decoration underline if applied comes. We wanted the underline should be in different colors. Where is the page title? We remember one property, border hyphen bottom. Border bottom 1 pixel, solid orange color. So text will be green color and below one line will come in orange color. Something like this, but this cover the full width. Full width. Full width. Full width it will cover because H2 is the block level element. H2, H1, H2 we have followed, it's a block level element. Okay, so no problem, this is also good only. So your home file is ready. Now after home file, here some gap is there on the top. This gap will look more. So what we can do is here in the page title, margin top 0px, because by default H1, H2, H3 have some margin. That margin will be applied from the top side. Clear? Margin top, what reduce now? This is okay. So this become one template. Remaining other we need to work on. That is called about, login, register, and other files. Okay, let's create next file about.html. About.html, we can create a new file. We have already, right? We'll take the copy of home and we'll replace in about. Take the copy of home file and replace in about. You have about file, replace in that all the contents. Okay, ready? Now from the about file, we need to remove some contents. For example, in about file, banner is not required, you can remove that. In about file, banner is not required, you can remove that. In about file, banner is not required, you can remove that. In about file, banner is not required, we can remove that. We have a section ID called banner, remove that. Then from the container, you delete everything. Keep only heading. Keep only heading. Change that heading to about us. So our page is this much only in about us. HTML to HTML. We deleted everything from the container. We kept only H1. Only H1 here under the container. Only H1 we have. Check now about us file. Home have everything. About have only one line called about us. So that also went inside. Why went inside? Okay, clear. Here. Before section tag, you have to apply the BR. Because once you give the position fixed, navigation will be hanging kind of navigation. Content will go inside. It will hide inside. So we have to write there. Okay, so after adding the BR, it came down. Oh, still it's hiding little more. One more BR in it. Will be any white space there? Okay, so 2 BR is fine. You can follow 2 BR, 3 BR. Give 3 BR there. We can manage through margin also. Next, after that, under the about us block. Under the about us block, you are going to display a first in the last to keep here a division with ID equal to clear block. Clear block. Clear block. After that, clear block will be end of the section. You will write inside the division class equal to our service. Our service. Under the our service, there will be one icon. One icon. Example. Hello. Okay. FA hyphen, you can keep here call users and FA hyphen 4x. After that, write a H4 or maybe H3 user management, and below in a small tab, you will print some text. ABCD, 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 2-3 lines. We will be keeping the equal contents everywhere, not much, not less, so it will be organized. Write this one division you follow. We will write the CSS for that. Again, we'll come back to this page. Both video are same, survey 13, 14. Inside the 13, there will be 14. Yesterday was no class, so you will not get yesterday video. Today video will give it tomorrow. So hope we have written. After that, we can go next. We can write a class called our service. Then H3 we have, a small tab we have, icon we have. We will manage for that. Some CSS will write, all will appear one after the other. See, I we have written I tag is a inline, so it will come in first line. A small tag is also in line, it will go to the next line. In between we have a block level tag H3. It will break the line. So between icon and a small tag H3 will. BR you have no need to apply the BR there. It will look like this. Through CSS we'll arrange it. Check once. Check once. Are you getting the icons? Icon plus text. CSS, go ahead under the CSS file. Okay, let me share with this division to division. So our service, we can come to the style.css. Let's write here again. Our service, inside you will write margin 2% from all the side, padding also 2%, 4% will go. 3 block we want to create. So next you will keep 2 to 4, 2% for margin, 4% for margin, 4% for padding, 8%. Okay. So in case 3 block you want to create, then you have to go here and 33 minus 8, 25.33% width. Width 25.33% width. After that, float should be left. Then only it will come one after other. And then background no needed. Let's save it. Text align center. We can give align center. So everything will print in the middle. Clear? Coming in the left side. Got organized like this. Like this 3 block we are going to fit here. So for HTML part now, you will write here again dot our service colon hover. Apply the box shadow for that. Box icon shadow 0px 0px 1px 1px. As your mouse will go there, cursor will convert into pointer. Cursor will convert into pointer, and after that cursor will convert into pointer. See something like this. Once the cursor will come here. Okay, so better you can keep this one default also. Keep this color as a default. Keep box as a default. When mouse will go there, we can change to different color. Maybe red color, and we can increase to 5 pixel. So once cursor will go there, it will find okay. The box shadow got increased. It will be look like it's active happen as soon as cursor will come in. Right, one icon is coming. Once the mouse will go there, it will become active. Okay, say yes, no in chat. Now same division, copy paste and change the icons. Division, our service division, copy paste 3 times. Change the icons. Ready? HTML file. Copy the service block and paste total 3 times. Change the icon, change the text also. Box shadow give different color and more number. 1 pixel you are given, give 3 pixel. Change the color also, then it should work. User management. Next after that, FAFA headset. Customer care you can write here. Customer care. Last one you can write FAFA search. Digital services. Digital services. CSS code I can share. If focus is not working, however, both the CSS section, both the CSS, I will send you in the chat. Take that. We have added one headset, another one is called search. Now we have different color also. Search should be green color. So apply the green class. Headset should be orange color. And then in the beginning we have one more that is called user. Should be blue color. So after the icon, call the class name. So we call one place blue, orange, and then green. Let's call all three classes, all three places. Check once. Icons should come in different color combination. Icons should come in different color combination. When the cursor will go there, something else it will happen. This is called over. And what is coming outside? Box shadow. And one after other it's coming because of float left. One more CSS we have pending. That is this one, clear block. So for that you can write clear colon both. Create a ID called clear block. In that you can write clear colon both. You will create a ID called clear block. In that you will write clear colon both. Clear colon both we written under the clear block. Clear block, you will write it ID here called clear block, clear colon both. Clear colon both. Clear colon both. That is for the to avoid the overlapping problem. To avoid the overlapping problem. Clear colon both. So two file I created, home file plus about. Now two file is your work. I will give the photo for this. Register and login. So see, in the home file, you can see header footer remains same. In the about file, header footer remain same. Content got changed under the container. Similar way, login also will be header footer same. Container will be here. Under the container, the content will get changed. Under the register also, header and footer remain same. Under the this middle section, the content will get changed. So for middle section, I'll give you two photo. For login, one photo, and for register, another photo. That will be your task to do. Yes, no, look similar. बताइए, shall I share the file? Say something. All are silent. In morning class, we have a person. He has not attended the CSS. Directly, he landed under the Bootstrap. Okay. He was absent for 6-7 days. After finishing CSS, he came directly under the Bootstrap. Okay. And in Bootstrap, he was asked why we are writing the class, why we are calling this class, where it is written. Okay. Class equal to you wrote something where it is written. So how to answer? So one by one, step by step, knowledge comes one by one. So knowledge comes one by one. If you understand A, then B will be helpful. Okay, so let me share you the photo first. Okay, if unable to log in, you can take the photo in mobile phone also. I will show the photo here. Assignment folder, where are you? Then Bootstrap basic will not have anything. First task. Okay, two file we have. These two file we are going to do. One is a login. Copy came under the CSS folder, under the assignment. Under the assignment, set 3. Set -3. Hope whichever the photo is sent till date, you are working on that. This is on login page. Different one. To take the different one again. Okay. The basic. Basic. Essentials. Assignment. Okay, so first I will share you in the chat. If you download, then very well. These two files will come in chat. After that, if not able to see in the chat, let's take the photo of this. This is your login page. You can take the screenshot. Login page is this one. I will send in WhatsApp also, but not immediately, after some time. So photo we taken, login. Next photo is here. This is for register. Little tough. This icon you can see, this icon, okay. For this no need to struggle. This screenshot was taken in the Mac computer, different type of OS. So there this has come automatically. Okay, so when you create the page, this will not come. So for this no need to worry, it's a drop down. Okay. Over. Now once you click on that drop down will open, no? Yes. So these two photo we have taken. Okay, I will send in WhatsApp also in some time. Now after that, next to that, you wanted some CSS and HTML file. I'll share now. All the one CSS file and how many? Home and about HTML files. Both came in the chat. Now two work is pending for you. Suppose I will show you one example how that page will look. That page will look like this. Assignment step number 3 I went. From here, suppose I take the login file. I came to my external CSS file. External CSS I kept here. Okay, now your login file will look like this. In the login file, header footer will be same. Okay, what will get changed? This section will get changed, and it will look like this. imgsrc login dot. Let me see the login file, how that look. It's went in the left hand side. I'll keep here align center. You are not going to call the image, you are going to design the page like that. Okay, there भी मैं आपको demo दे रहा हूँ how that look, how the page will look. Okay, your page will look like this. Header on the top, footer in the last, and in between the photo what we have given, that photo should come here. Okay, when we go to the register again, what should happen? Register page should also come like this. 8 minute. Register.html. The file name. Okay, I have kept only one here. I need to call second also. In 5/6 standard, there was one kind of competition. Okay, mathematics related, and people have written like 150 people stand in one queue, one person, and nearly after 100 meters nearly there was a question. 100 people was in the queue, and there was 100 papers, and in all 100 people there was a one problem of mathematics. Okay. Fourth standard level. Now we can write 9 in Hindi also, 9 we can write in English also. Do you know no alphabets? This one. Roman 1 to 3, and 1 to 3 what we write in English. So they have written 5 plus 4 in Roman. How much it will come? 9 will come. Okay. So for 100 people there was a 100 problem. Everyone will run with a pen, go fast, run 100 meters, take any one seat, don't take and throw. There also people are there with a stick. You take only one, fix and run away. So went and then took one paper, and okay, 5 plus 4, 9, and came back. After even I came in the before, after 2% only I came, everyone rejected me. I went to all the teachers saying, you rejected it. Why rejected? They said, see, there is a written in Roman. 4 plus 5, you should write 9 in Roman. You came first, also no matter, you are rejected. You have to write in Roman only. Then only you will get pass, else you are fail. So what is the demand? That should be supply. It should not be demand something else, and supply should be something else. Okay. According that moment, I remember everywhere. Whenever the matter will come, demand and supply, no, I'll remember that line. Oh, 9 Hindi and English was different. Roman, see. So this is the requirement. Okay. Your page should look like this. Now we should not call the photo here. You have to write HTML and CSS, and that should look like this. Now you can take the final photo of this. Okay, लेना है तो ले लीजिए. That will be helpful for you. Okay, now I will share you this all the files. So look like possible after looking into the photo? Possible or not? Possible. You can use the table something, you can try. See, remember demand and supply should match. If the demand is something else, supply is something else, people will ignore. People say, no, he is better than you. Okay, so everywhere, whichever the lines are drawn, whichever the structure is ready, you need to do like that only. This icon will not come. This icon is coming, this icon you can ignore. This coming, no icon, this icon. Which icon? This one. Drop down. That icon will not come. You can ignore that, remaining should match. The text is here, it should come in the blue color only. Okay. Now how to make blue color and everything. Okay, so this two file again I will send you in the chat. Login and register as a HTML file with image. You need to convert into HTML and CSS. Login and register. Okay, in your chat, you can work on the same. It's gone to one person only. Okay, then see you tomorrow. W3, are we following the W3 schools? Up follow karo up. It has lot of materials. Okay, it will help you. Okay, then we'll see you tomorrow.